If you had money invested in cryptocurrencies, then you are either really depressed or your life has lost all meaning. Simply put, millions of dollars worth of investment went down the drain as the crypto market crashed. Money literally disappeared, and with it went the sanity of many a crypto investor. Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we are going to talk about the recent crypto market crash. So let us begin. Crypto's all-for-one ethos was its biggest lure for a generation of disenfranchised technologists. Now that terror is sweeping this cosmos, that same attitude may be the biggest threat to its survival yet. This year's risk-off selling spree in the cryptocurrency market, which was sparked by a Federal Reserve that was suddenly determined to rein in excesses, has revealed a web of interconnection that resembles the maze of variables that brought down the world financial system in 2008. Numerous alternative cryptocurrencies also fell as Bitcoin lost about 70% of its value from its all-time high. The much-hyped experiment in decentralized banking Terra ecosystem collapsed as a result of its algorithmic stablecoin losing its peg to the US dollar and a bank run that rendered $40 billion of tokens basically worthless. Cryptocurrency collateral that appeared to be valuable enough to support loans one day became sharply devalued or illiquid, casting doubt on the futures of several well-known lenders and a supposedly unbeatable hedge fund. Investors have been scared off by the chaos, which has erased more than $2 trillion in value in a matter of months and destroyed the life savings of individual traders who placed large bets on cryptocurrency ventures marketed as secure investments. The first cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, is still a leading indicator for the market. In November 2021, when the total market value of cryptocurrencies was close to $3 trillion, it reached an all-time high of over $68,000, 55,600 pounds. But since then, the majority of the main cryptocurrencies have declined by more than 70%, and the price of Bitcoin has plunged below $18,000. The ongoing conflict in Ukraine, the subsequent increase in oil costs, and the U.S. Federal Reserve's decision to increase interest rates by 0.75% in June to battle rising inflation have all had a negative impact on cryptocurrencies recently. Regulation efforts have also had an effect. But this decline in cryptocurrency prices has not just been brought on by macroeconomic concerns. Stablecoin values fell precipitously in May and June of this year. Major cryptocurrency exchange Binance delayed Bitcoin withdrawals because of a stuck transaction, while lending platform Celsius Network froze withdrawals and transfers owing to extreme market conditions. In the midst of this upheaval, members of the open-source blockchain platform Solana apparently decided to temporarily seize control of the site's biggest account, valued at over $20 million, in order to prevent the account owner from selling its holdings and pushing prices any lower. Together, these elements have led to a decline in investor trust in the industry. The severe dread reading on the Crypto Fear and Greed Index is virtually at an all-time low of 9 out of 100. When Bitcoin reached its peak in November 2021, the index was 75 of 100. Now, what does the future look like for cryptocurrencies? The vast diversity of opinions is to be expected given the cryptocurrency environment. Some people think it's a good idea to buy the dip during this market correction. Others think that cryptocurrencies are no longer welcome. Many steadfast crypto enthusiasts employ on-chain measures to identify excellent periods to buy, and they claim that now is the moment to invest in cryptocurrencies. Others claim that this is just the latest in a long line of cryptocurrency bubbles that have burst, a regular cycle in the cryptocurrency sector. Market analysts frequently draw comparisons to the dot-com crash of 2000, but cryptocurrency supporters contend that the fundamental tenet of dot-com stocks, that the internet represented the future, was true. They predict that the Bitcoin market will revive because they think the same thing is true of it. However, some people are of the opinion that sometimes prices never go back to their original levels after a bubble burst, and naysayers have even gone on to compare cryptocurrency to a Ponzi scheme. Only time will tell who is right. So that is all the time we had today, folks. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel and do hit the bell icon on your way out. See you all next time.